2014 Buick LaCrosse with leather package. Very well taken care of. Aluminum alloy wheels with good uniroyal tires. Solar tinted windows. Backup sensors. Dual chrome tip exhaust. Nice light tan leather interior. Wood grain trim throughout. Carpeted floor mats. Power windows, locks and mirrors with memory driver's seat. Dual automatic climate controls with heated seats. Free 90-day trial Sirius XM satellite radio. Backup camera. Hands-free Bluetooth steering wheel controls. Less than 40,000 miles. Still got the new car smell. Come on, see us at U Cars.